Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping yourself safe and healthy at home. Welcome to the new session of 2021 and 22. Today is the first class of the subject science, and today we are going to study about the first chapter, that is plant the producers. So children, if you are having your book, please take out your book and open the first chapter, that is what? Plant the producers. Before starting with the lesson, in the previous class you already have studied about the living things, in which plants and animals are living things. They eat, they breathe, they grow, they reproduce. These are the characteristics of living things. And in this chapter, we are going to study about the plant. That is also what? A living thing. Let's see, children, what we are going to study today. The first thing that we are going to study today is parts of a leaf, and then preparation of food in plants. Then we also study about why the plants are called as the producers. Now let's start with today's lesson. We all know that food is essential for us to live, and most of the food that we eat come from plants only, whether for the humans or for the animals. We all get the food from the plants, but plants also need to food for themselves. Plants को भी खाना खाने की जरूरत है, so that they can also grow, reproduce, right or not? Yes, but where do plants get their food from? उन्हें अपना खाना कहाँ से मिलता है? Where do plants get their food from? So the thing over here is the green plants make their own food. Green plants means the leaves, the plants whose leaves look green in color, they prepare their own food. And that is why they are called as producers. Why? Because they produce their own food. That is why they are called as producers. Here, producers means someone who produce something or someone who generates something. So the green plants is producing their own food. That is why they are called as what, children? Producer. So the green plants are called as producers. Now, who prepare the food for the plant? The leaves. Who prepare the food for the plant? The leaf prepare the food for the plant. The leaf is the part of the plant that grows out of the stem, and it is the leaf who prepare the food for the plant. We all know that leaves are of various shapes and sizes, but mostly the leaves look green in color. Mostly the leaves look which in color? Green in color. Now this green color is why the leaves appear green in color. Why? Due to the presence of a green color substance that is called as chlorophyll. Okay children, तो leaves green color की क्यों दिखती है? Because of the presence of a green color substance called as chlorophyll. What it is called as? Chlorophyll. Our natural green color substance is already present in the leaf that gives green color to the leaves, and this is what? The chlorophyll. Now the question arises, what is the job of this chlorophyll? So the job of this chlorophyll is to trap the energy of the sunlight. What it does? It traps the energy of sunlight. अपने अंदर पकड़ के रखता है किसकी energy? Sunlight's energy. And the chlorophyll helps the plant to make the food. Chlorophyll helps the plant to make the food. So the leaves look green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll, and it gives green color to the leaf. It traps the energy of the sunlight and helps the plant to make their food. Got it? Now the next topic of the chapter is parts of leaf. Leaves are having few parts. Let's see what are the different parts of a leaf. Here you can see this is the picture of a leaf. Now the first part of the leaf is leaf blade, means the whole portion of the leaf over here is, this is the whole portion of the leaf. It is called as leaf blade or lamina. It is called as what? Leaf blade or lamina. Now in the middle of the leaf a thick vein is running. Vein matlab tube like structure is running, that is called as the main vein. Main vein, called as main vein or midrib. Now in the sides also the veins are going, the tubes are going in the sides also. They are called as side veins. What they are called as? Side veins. Now in the tip of the leaf, here at the tip of the leaf we are having leaf apex. What we are having? Leaf apex. And this is the petiole or leaf stalk that join the leaves to the stem. So these are the different parts of the leaf. Now let's study all these parts of the leaf in detail. So the first part of the leaf is leaf blade or lamina. So the flat and broad part of a leaf is called leaf blade or lamina. Here in the picture, this is the flat broad part of the leaf, this is the upper side of the leaf, and this is the lower side of the leaf, and both these flat broad part of the leaf is called as leaf blade or lamina. Got it? Now the next one is, there are veins. What are veins? There are number of tiny tube-like structures or channels that are running all over the leaf. They are called as what? Veins. They are called as what? Veins. Now there are two types of vein. The first one is main vein called as midrib, and the second one is side veins. So the line that is running in the middle of the leaf, is called as main vein or midrib, and the lines that are going to the sides of the leaf, they are called as what? Side veins. They are called as what? Side veins, and these veins help in the transportation of water and mineral from the roots to the leaves, and the food that is prepared by the leaf is transferred from the leaves to the other part of the plant. So this is the job of the veins. What is the job of the vein? The water or minerals को root से लीफ में देता है, और जो food prepare करता है leaf, that is transferred to the other part of the plant through the veins only. Got it, children? So this is about the veins. Now the next one is about the stomata. When you observe the leaf in the with the help of a magnifying lens or under the microscope, you will notice that there are many tiny holes present on the underside of the leaf. And these tiny holes or openings are called as stomata. They are called as what? Stomata. जब आप leaf को microscope के नीचे रख के देखेंगे, then you will see that in the leaves there are many tiny holes present in the leaves. छेद हैं वहाँ पे leaves में, and those holes are called as what? Stomata. They are called as what? Stomata. So these tiny openings are called as what? Stomata. Now the function of the stomata is to take in and give out air. Take in and give out air and extra water that is present in the leaf. We all know that plants take in which gas? Carbon dioxide, and releases oxygen. So this take in and give out of the air happens in the stomata, where it happens in the stomata. So the stomata, what it does, it takes in carbon dioxide gas and releases out oxygen. It takes in carbon dioxide gas and release out what? Oxygen. And the extra water that is stored in the plant is also removed with the help of stomata. So this breathing process in the leaves is done in the stomata. So stomata helps in the process of breathing for the plant. Okay, so where the stomata is present? Stomata is present on the underside of the leaf. They are the tiny holes or openings that is present on the leaves, help in the process of breathing. They take in carbon dioxide gas and releases out what? Oxygen and extra water vapor. Got it, children? Now the next topic is functions of leaf. Leaves are having few functions. Let's see what are the different functions of leaf. The first function of the leaves is green leaves are called the food factory of a plant. Why? Because the leaves prepare food for the whole plant. लीफ क्या करता है? अपने पूरे प्लांट के लिए क्या बनाता है? खाना बनाता है. That's why they are called as the kitchen or food factory of a plant. So who is called the kitchen or food factory of a plant? The leaves are called as the kitchen or food factory of a plant. Now the question arises, how leaves make food? Leaf खाना कैसे बनाती है? So we know that in the leaves or in the green plants there is a natural green color substance is present that is called as what? Chlorophyll. And what is the job of the chlorophyll? To trap the energy of sunlight. That is present where? Into the green leaves. Now there are few things that the leaf take as a raw material to make the food. What they use? They use the light. They get the light from the sunlight and carbon dioxide that they get from the air and water from the soil. They take all these three things to make their food. What are those three things? The first one is sunlight, second is carbon dioxide, and the next one is water. When the leaf get all these three things, then only the leaf is able to prepare the food. Now let's see how the leaf prepare the food. What happens over there? The water is absorbed from the soil by the roots of the plant. Water क्या होता है? Absorb होता है by the root of the plant, and the stem carries these water and minerals from the roots and send it to the leaves. क्या करता है? Stem यहाँ से carry करता है water and minerals को from the root and send it to the leaves. किसको दे देता है water और minerals? Leaves को. Then they get the carbon dioxide from the air, and this carbon dioxide is taken up by the stomata that is present in the leaves. अब स्टोमेटा ने क्या किया? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड भी ले लिया, वो भी कहाँ आ गया है? लीफ में. वाटर और मिनरल्स भी कहाँ आ गए हैं? लीव्स में. We know that in the leaf chlorophyll is also present that gives green color to the leaf. So the chlorophyll traps the energy of the sunlight. It traps the energy of the sunlight. अब लीफ में क्या क्या प्रेजेंट है? वाटर आ गया, मिनरल है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, सनलाइट. All those things are present in the leaf. Now what the chlorophyll do? Chlorophyll convert water, minerals, carbon dioxide, sunlight, all those things into the food, and during this process they releases what? Oxygen. They releases what? Oxygen and extra water vapor. In this way, the leaf prepare the food by using water, minerals, carbon dioxide, and in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Got it, children? This whole process is called as photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The process by which leaves use sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into food is called as photosynthesis. This is the process of photosynthesis, and it can be summarized by this chart in which carbon dioxide, water and minerals is taken up by the leaf in the presence of sunlight, and chlorophyll they convert the carbon carbon dioxide, water and minerals into the food, and the food is prepared in the form of glucose. Food is prepared in the form of glucose by releasing extra water vapor and oxygen. This whole process is called as what? Photosynthesis. The presence of sunlight is very essential for the plant to make food. That is why the process is called as photosynthesis, where photo meaning light and synthesis meaning putting together. Photo meaning light which one? Sunlight. And putting together means putting together of carbon dioxide, water and minerals. Then only they make their own food. Now we all know that sunlight is essential for plants to make food. For this we can have an activity in which we have taken two potted plants, plant A and plant B. Both are healthy plants. Okay, place one plant at a spot that receives sufficient amount of sunlight and place another plant into a dark cupboard and leave these plants for at least 1 week in their respective places. After 1 week, when you will observe the plant, you will see that the plant that is placed in the open looks healthy, whereas the plant that is kept in the dark cupboard look sick. Why is it so? Because in the dark cupboard the plant did not receive any sunlight. In the absence of sunlight, the leaves could not prepare food, and because of the lack of food, the leaves of the plant become pale and yellow in color. But the plants that receive the sunlight, their leaves look green in color. Their leaves look what? Green in color. So this is what the sunlight is essential for plants to make the food. Okay children, so what we have studied today, we have studied that plants are called as producer because they produce their own food. Then we have studied about the parts of a leaf, and we have studied about the preparation of food in the leaves. That's all for today children. Thank you. Have a nice day.